How to add or remove QR code scanner in control center in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and press and hold on blank space. Now click on add a control. Now here you can find a QR code scanner icon. And then click on it. Now here you can see it will be added. And if you want to remove a QR code scanner in control center, then simply press and hold on empty space and then click on this minus sign. So this is the way to add or remove QR code scanner in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.